In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva design into your Squarespace site. This is a great way to enhance your web pages by incorporating engaging, custom graphics directly from Canva without any hassle. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Canva design. Open up Canva in your browser and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're there, find the design you want to embed. Canva's user interface is quite intuitive, so you shouldn't have any difficulty locating your design. Once your design is open, look for the Share option, which is typically found at the top right of the page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a menu of options to share your creation. Here's a tip. If you can't see the Embed option right away, don't worry. All you need to do is click on the three dots or More options icon adjacent to the Share menu. When you click on these three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here you'll find the Embed option you're looking for. Selecting Embed generates a code specifically for your design. Next, click on the Copy button to copy the Embed code to your clipboard. Now you have your Canva design ready to be embedded into your Squarespace site. Let's transition over to Squarespace. Open your website editor and navigate to the page where you want to embed your design. On that page, locate the section where you wish to add your Canva creation. Click on Add Block. This will allow you to choose various types of content blocks. In the list of options, find and click on Embed. Doing so will present an option that says Edit. Click on Edit to open a text box where you can input your code. Look for the code snippet or embed data and go ahead to select it. You are now ready to insert the embed code you copied from Canva. Click Add Code, and a new window will appear where you can paste the embed code. Simply paste your code into the designated space. It's a straightforward process, so you shouldn't encounter too much trouble. Once you've pasted your code, make sure everything looks correct. Finally, and most importantly, hit the Save button to finalize your changes. This saves your work and ensures that your design appears seamlessly on your Squarespace page. If you find that your design needs any adjustments, you can always revisit Canva to make changes and update the embed code if necessary. So there you have it. You've successfully embedded your Canva design into your Squarespace website. This method allows you to integrate beautiful, personalized graphics into your site effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.